ma'am? Okay. So, I have already washed my hands and provided privacy. Before we begin our assessment, ma'am, may I ask you, ma'am, if you have any history of or any problems with lungs? What about itching or dandruff? What about loss of consciousness? Seizures, um, headaches, facial facial pain or injury? Okay, that's good, ma'am. Now, ma'am, I am going to inspect your scan for size, shape, and symmetry. In palpating the skull of the patient, you have to wear gloves to reduce the growth of the microorganism. And now, ma'am, I'm going to palpate your skull for nodules, masses, and depression. And I'm going to inspect your face for symmetry features. Okay, now allow me to inspect your eyes for edema and hollowness. Okay. Can you please elevate your eyebrows? Lower your eyebrows. Can you please close your eyes, ma'am, kindly? Okay. Can you please pop your cheeks? Can you please smile for me, ma'am? Show me your teeth. Okay, very good. So that's it, and document the findings. So it can be seen at the client's record that she haven't done any of the histories given problem. Also, the skull of the client is normocephalic with symmetrical and frontal, parietal, and occipital prominence, smooth skull contour with no signs of excessive growth of hormones nor increased bone thickness. Also, there's no sign of masses, nodules, and deformities. The skull of the client is smooth and uniform in consistency. Also, the face of the patient has symmetrical features and uniform facial movements. And also, there's no edema or swelling as I inspect her eyes.